Hello everyone, hope everyone's doing great. Today is Saturday, July 18, and this is another quick video just to share some content with my subscribers. If you're new to my channel, my name is Unwana, and every week I try to share some content on strategies that I'm implementing in my life and also could be useful for other people out there. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and also give me a thumbs up and share this video with someone you think might benefit from it. So I'm gonna this is gonna be a very quick topic on like I mentioned before, I'm in the banking industry, and I get to see a lot of families. I get to help a lot of families with their finances, with loans, credit cards, and how to, save and grow their wealth. But it's unfortunate to see that most people struggle with their finances, in particular with their checking account. So this video is going to be on how to manage your checking account. So for those who already know how to manage their checking account, this might not be for you. But for others who are struggling to balance their checking account, or who constantly end up with overdraft fees, this might benefit you. So the first thing you need to do to manage your checking account is to check your account balance daily. Pretty much you have to stay on top of your accounts. I know there are people that have multiple accounts. There are softwares that you can use that consolidates all your accounts into one place, so you can see all your account balances in one spot. However, if you have just a couple checking accounts, you should check your account balance daily. All right. The second thing you want to do is you want to enroll in online alerts. So you want to enroll for balance alerts. Most banking institutions have mobile apps today, so you can actually set alerts on your phone, so that way you're alerted when your balance drops or there are any transactions on your account that could potentially draw your account, and you could end up with charges. The next thing you want to do is you want to record all transactions immediately. Now, if you're not close to your check register, you could probably have a little notepad where you can jot things down, and then when you get home, you can transfer those transactions into your check register. It's very important that you track everything. This way, if there are charges on your account, you can be proactive and take immediate action to get those charges taken care of. All right. The next thing you want to do is you want to review your transactions, your transaction history. Okay. Always make sure you review your transaction history. Don't wait for your statement to come in the mail before you review your transaction history. Like I said, if you sign up to online banking, you have access to your account information at your fingertips. So you want to review your transaction history. Make sure there are no fraudulent charges on your account. That way you can stay on top of your checking account situation. And then finally, you should be in the habit of balancing your checkbook. Okay? Be in the habit of balancing your checkbook. You have to balance your checkbook. You have to know what's in your account. You have to know what's coming in. You have to know what's going out. All right? And also, you also want to take note of when you see on your checking account it says current balance and available balance. I know for some people they might get confused. Why do I have a current balance? Why do I have an available balance? So the reason why you have that is if you have deposits which comprises of checks, all right, or some other instruments, there is always a hold on your account. So there is a hold on your account until those particular transactions get cleared and get posted to your account. So if you deposit a check for $100 and You also deposited cash of $20, so your total deposit was $120. So available cash for you will be $20 because that was a cash transaction. However, your current balance will show you have $120. Okay, it doesn't mean you can go out and spend $120. You can only you only have access to 20 because the 20 was a cash transaction while the 100 was a check. So there is a hold until that check clears the financial system. Then your available balance would then become $120. So I hope this helps, because I always get questions from people. Why does my statement say my current balance is XYZ, but it says available balance is this? So that's the reason why. And also, for those who try to float checks, the financial systems have changed, so you don't really have that float time anymore. Because in the past, what people normally do is they write a check out for a bill, put in the mail. By the time it goes through the mailing system, gets to who you wrote the check for, and then they deposit it to their bank, and then it goes through the whole system. So you really don't have that much float anymore, because most transactions are very instantaneous now. So be very careful when you write checks out, trying to play the float game. You might get burned. Okay, so I hope this helps someone out there. This is how I manage my accounts, and also I'm just sharing this with you because I'm in the banking industry, and I see a lot of stuff happen to people, and people end up paying unnecessary fees. Banks are not your enemy. Okay, a bank is there to generate a profit. A bank is a business. Okay, their job is to make money. All right, so it is your responsibility to make sure that you don't end up paying fees, you don't end up getting charges unnecessarily. Okay, I hope this helps. Stay tuned for more videos from me, and like I said, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post new videos, and also like and share this video. Basically, my channel is based on personal finance, self-motivation, personal development, and business building. Okay, have a great weekend, and make sure you go out there and enjoy the day. Take care. See you on my next video. Bye bye.